Scheduling is one of the most important aspects of construction engineering. Project scheduling provides the following benefits. They assist with tracking, reporting, and communicating progress. They ensure everyone is on the same page with the tasks, dependencies, and deadlines. They highlight issues and concerns such as lack of resources. They can help to identify task relationships. They are also crucial when it comes to monitoring progress and identifying issues on the construction site early. Here you can see the division of project management according to the PMBOK, a guide to the project management body of knowledge by Project Management Institute. As you can see, project time management under number 6 includes schedule development and schedule control. Schedule development consists of inputs, tools and techniques, and outputs. In order to prepare a successful schedule, one needs project network diagrams, activity duration estimates, resource requirements, resource pool description, calendars, constraints, assumptions, leads and lags, risk management plan, and activity attributes. Some of the tools and techniques for schedule development includes mathematical analysis, duration compression, simulation, resource leveling heuristics, and project management software, not to mention coding structure. As a result, we obtain project schedule, supporting details, schedule management plan, and resource requirement updates. All of these are crucial for a successful project. The first schedules were developed by Professor Karol Adamiecki. However, the schedules as we know them today were developed by Henry Gantt in the United States. His works were commissioned by US military forces and later on adapted to other industries, among others construction industry. There are various ways to present a construction project. You can present them using networks and Gantt charts. These two views are complementary. Here in the schedule we can see critical tasks marked in red, non-critical tasks marked in blue. Any delay in the critical task results in the delay of the whole project, while non-critical tasks may be delayed without such effect.
Scheduling is a very important task in construction industry. You can do it in traditional way. With use of such a nice papers, you can display the schedule on the screen. But if you would like to use modern techniques, you can use tablets, computers, special devices on site to check schedules, to prepare schedules, and to control your construction site in the modern way.
Here you can see a schedule for a construction project of office building. The schedule was prepared by MS Project software. It is the most common software used in construction industry. We can observe relationships between tasks. We can observe milestones. We can observe summary tasks. Each of them have a purpose in this construction project schedule. The main advantages of MS projects are its functionality, popularity, utility, flexibility, ease of use, program configuration, and the ability to use a program for any type of project, including construction projects. However, there are some other applications. For example, Gantt project. This application works also on several other operating systems, for example Linux or Mac OS. This is an open source project developed by a team of programmers from all over the world. You can also use other programs like Open Project. This one is a server application based on a web browser. There is also a Polish software similar to MS Project. It's called Planista. As you can see, the functionality of this software is pretty similar, with networks and Gantt charts at your disposal. There are also more complex solutions, for example Primavera by Oracle Primavera. This is probably the second most frequently used scheduling program in construction, right after MS Project. It adapts to the structure of the organization and the specifics of a given industry. It can be used both by an independent project manager and by a centralized management system. Software flexibility is also visible in the access to the central database, which can be done through a single computer workstation, PDA or web browser. The more sophisticated version of the program includes risk analysis, which is also a crucial component of project management. Scheduling can be implemented in the BIM methodology. The 3D BIM models can be complemented by the fourth dimension, time. BIM 4D allows for importing of schedules from other applications and then for rendering visualization of the construction works. Such visualizations allows for better supply coordination, analysis of different implementation variants, monitoring of works, and delays reporting. You can try Synchro Pro software or Vico Office. Such software allows us to visualize construction works and to follow their progress. Now I will show you some basics of MS Project. In order to prepare a proper schedule, you need to introduce tasks. You can include summary tasks, plain tasks, milestones, which time equals to 0. You can input recurring tasks. Each of these tasks has its own important role in the schedule. You can input different durations of the tasks, in days, and in case of more complex, longer projects, in weeks or even in months. On the other hand, you can input task duration in hours, minutes, and so on. The tasks in the schedule should be connected. Such connections between tasks are called relationships. As you can see, there are 4 relationships types, depending on the specifics of construction works. Some of the tasks may start with a lead or with a lag. It is also important to always fill in the project information fields. For example, starting date of the project or finishing date of the project. In order to best suit our schedules to our needs, we can use calendar options. We can introduce different exceptions, for example, bank holidays or other type of holidays which are specific to a given country. Such flexibility allows us to work with this software all over the world.
It is worth to note that schedules are important not only to project managers and site managers, but also to foremen and construction workers. Moreover, they serve us not only during the planning phase of the construction cycle, but also they help us in order to monitor and control the execution of works properly.
Schedules should be used every day by construction managers, site managers, and foremen. They should be constantly revised, modified, and updated. Preparing and monitoring a good schedule is crucial for a successful project.